Hello, this is the tutorial from Lego Puzzle Box Tress, and let's start off with the bottom part. Take a 6x8 base plate and you put smooth pieces here, 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 and a 2x1 there. And then on the side you take two, or actually, let's see here. What you want to do is you want to build a wall that has the height of 6 1x6 bricks. So you see I got one layer of 1x6 here, and two layers of 1x6, which together is one of these pieces. So you can take three, or you can do your own design. Okay? Like 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 there. You want to build a couple of walls, and you want to do the same thing at the back, except you want to leave a gap here, which in total is 1 brick and 1 flat piece. You can see here. Okay, so that's the bottom part. Let's continue with the middle part. It's a 4x6, no 6x8 smooth pieces here in the middle, and then the corner here, and one step in here you want to put the 1x2. You want to build a little line of smooth pieces there. Then you take a 1x2, and on this side, on the right side, you want to put a 1x1 smooth, and here you want to put the 1x1 with a stud, but I didn't have any more, so I just put a smooth piece. But it's important that this right piece is flat, smooth here. And then you take a 3x2 smooth pieces on top and put them here, then a 1x1 and a 1x1 brick at the end here. Then you take a 1x4, a flat 2 of those, and then just another 1x4. So, and you take a 1x2 and a 1x2 smooth on top and put it like this. Inside here, you want to take another 1x1, and a piece like this, two 1x flats, 1x4 flats, and a 1x4 brick. Now take a 1x4, 1x2, 1x2 smooth. Then you, if you have a corner piece, that's great, or otherwise you can build a similar thing. But you want to, anyways, you want to have a 2x2 on top here, outwards like this, and you just want to fill it up with bricks here. And you slide it in here. Moving on, we've got this piece, and to build that you take a 1x4, 1x3 and 1x2, 1x1 here, 1x1 smooth there, and you can just pause, and if I'm moving too fast forward, move forward too fast. Okay, so then a 1x6, 1x1 here, 1x4 here, and the gap there. You need to put in a layer of 1x6 and smooth pieces on top, and have a 2x1 sticking inwards like this. You just put it on here and slide it in here. Okay, great. Then you take a yes, okay. And then you want to build this piece, which is a 1x3, 1x1 smooth, and then take a brick, 1x1 brick here, and 1x1 on top. I don't know why I have so many 1x1s flats, but you can put a brick. Then you build something like this, smooth pieces here and 1x2 there. And then you, I forgot where you put it on this, but this is a 2x6 and smooth pieces on top. So we're gonna return to that piece just a bit later. Okay, it doesn't matter. You wanna put it this way. Okay, so if you have this piece, you wanna, on the third hole here, you wanna put it on. So there you go. No, sorry, on the second. So move it down like this. Okay, because this is gonna block. Slide it over, slide it over, slide it over, slide it over. Slowly, slide it over. Great. Okay, so you can actually, okay, never mind, but move that aside. Next piece is two 2x1s, claw pieces here, 1x4, 1x2 and a 1x1 there. And then you want to put a, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, doesn't matter, it's for my design, but 2x4 here and smooth pieces here. It's gonna be a piece right here. Or actually, I think you want to move these pieces one step outwards like this. So we got that done. This piece is a 2x4, 1x1, 1x2, I mean 1x3 under and 1x1 there. Looks like this. And then a couple of 2x1s on top here. And then you put alright, sure. And then you take 1x4, 1x2, and you want to put it under like this, I believe. Or perhaps, oh man, let's just see. So you wanna, let's come back to that later. So what you wanna do is you wanna take a 1x4, smooth pieces, and a 1x2 and a 1x2 brick here. No, 2x2 and a 1x1 there. And then you just want to put it on like, or then you want to 3x1, 2x1, 2x2, 2x2 smooth, 1x1 there. Sorry, got distracted. And put it on here. I don't know if you understood anything of that, but build this piece like that. So, and you want to, this piece you want to put like, okay, you see here. All right, sure. Here you want to put a, make a 1x5 piece ish. Alright. you 1 by 5 ish. You take 1 by 1, 1 by 2 here, and 1 by 3, 1 by 2, or vice versa, or something similar. Then over here you want a 1 by 6 with a 1 by 4. In the middle here you want a 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, and a 1 by 1 brick there, which you just put on here. There you go. And now we can see, try to see where these were supposed to be. Right, okay. So figure this piece on top here, you don't want to put it like this, you want to put it like this. So you got these 2 by 1 double gap here, so it can fit right here, because this should be supposed to slide here. And then, right, so now take this off of this, so you just have this piece, take it off, slide it in right here, and under here, and then, okay, so take, sorry for this, take this piece, which I hope you sorry, hopefully you made this, and then you have this piece, put it on here, and this piece on this side like this. And if everything goes to plan, you should, right, sure, make a 1 by 5, 1 by 7 ish piece, 2 by 1 there, 2 by 1 there, and 1 by 8 on top of here. So at the back, put it down, and then you slide this whole thing, should fit perfectly, or somewhat perfectly. And when that's there, take this piece and put it here. So this is slide, this slides out, this slides out. Yeah, everything works. Okay, that's great. This piece. What's wrong with this piece all of a sudden? Mega blocks. Okay, whatever. Put it in like this. Okay. Then you get a 1 by 1, 1 by 1 flat, 2 by 2, something on top. So we've got, and you just put it down there. And this should block this piece. Okay? That's that. Now let's build the under compartment. Or the compartment. So you want to take, what I use is, I use one of these 4 by 6, which is like flat here. You don't have to do it, I guess. You can use another piece, but you will get a small compartment. It depends on how complicated, if you even want to do the puzzle for this compartment. But anyways, if you got one of these, put a 1x2 there, then two 1x6 bricks on top of each other here. On this side you want to put a two 1x3s and a 1x2 there. Here you want to put a 1x3 and two 1x3 flats and 1x2 here, and then 1x2 on top there. Then take a 1x2, 1x1, 2x1, 2x2, 2x1, and then 2x1 smooth there. Under here, two 1x3s on each side. 1x2, 1x2. Okay. Then you take a 1x6. Then you wanna. This is not complicated at all. You take a 1x4, 1x1, and this cloth piece here, and then a 1x2. And then you basically fill the rest of the side up. 1x4, 1x2, 2x1, 2x2. And you put it this way with the cloth piece facing inward. Then take 3x1, 2x1, 2x1, and smooth pieces on top, which should fit right here. Leave this gap here, slide that in, down. You can slide this over, so you can't lift it and you can't get it out. Then a 1x6, and then three 2x2s, or whatever. And that's that. So I'm gonna slide this in, and it should fit perfectly there. And then, well, the orientation I have is that if you pull out the drawer this way, you move the first step the opposite way. And there you go. Now let's make these pieces. So these pieces are the same. So to make one, you put something like this, and then 1x4, 1x2, and then a 1x4 on top of there. Then on this extended piece, you want to put kind of like a hook, so you get a cap here. You make two of these, and so just put them both inside of here, and raise the camera a bit so you can see what I'm doing. And there you go. Hope you build it, and thanks for watching. Bye.